It is Saturday morning, October 30th, 2021. And this is the 1949 Crown that is just getting started on its restoration project. This one has the Red Diamond 501 gas engine in it. And try to show you as much as I can here. This does have a carburetor on it. It's going to be removed today. The distributor will be removed today. Among a few other things that we'll send out and have rebuilt. I believe this is going to be a real solid runner once I get it up and running. I do have the original Crown emblem that goes on the front of that bus. Had it cleaned at one point, and spiderwebs came back. There's the blower that would go up there. Got the center floor removed, access panel for the engine. The starter will be, motor will be pulled also, and that will be sent out. There's all the linkage for the transmission. It's gonna be a big job. I'm hoping that the 6 or 7 hatches I have will be the same size as this hatch and interchangeable. Hopefully a 1980s hatch will fit the 49 Crown. So this emergency exit door is stuck. I've heated it up. I sprayed it with PV Blaster, all kinds of stuff. Made the mistake of trying to kick the door to see if that would free it, and then all it did was dent the metal. Now that can be pulled back out, no problem. Next is I'm going to put a come along on it and be gentle, and hopefully that'll break it away. Whatever's holding it shut, I'm sure is rust, but I will get it free. I love how they put the a slider window inside the emergency exit door. And of course, we got the glass lenses inside the dome lights. And that'll wrap this video up. I will definitely be posting videos as we make progress on this. I'm looking forward to it. And of course, we have tons and tons and tons of Crown body panels. Here's my collection of hatches back here. 2 of them are fiberglass, the white ones. All kinds of spare parts. Do a quick walk around on this side and we'll wrap the video up. As you can see, the back emergency exit hatch, which is probably one of the only on this particular bus, is rusting. It's repairable. I can use a fiberglass repair kit if the other hatch doesn't work. Here's the other side of the motor. There's the air compressor. Radiator cap, radiator. Alright, that'll wrap it up.